Hello, I wanted to talk to you today about hair restoration. This is a common concern not just for men, but also for women. Many patients have been noticing thinning hair or receding hairlines and wondering what they can do to prevent or reverse this. And we offer an all-natural treatment, PRP injections. This is an excellent treatment for anyone who wants to see thicker, fuller, more hair growth, are interested in something that's all natural. I've seen some amazing results with this. However, the results don't happen overnight. It is a process. PRP treatments are generally done once a month for a total of 6 months. After that, patients can go on a maintenance program of being treated about once every 4 to 6 months. So if you've started to notice some thinning hair or some bald patches, please come see me for a consultation and we can talk about your options.